Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so what are we going to do today? Yeah, one of the things we're going to do today will be installing the FTP server on the Fedora machine. Okay, and also once you have the machine, once you have the server installed, then you might want to do some customization. Okay, yeah. Okay, so then you might be thinking that, I mean, why do we need to do that, right? Okay, so here is GoDaddies.com, okay, and then they are doing, they provide web hosting services, okay, for Windows, for Linux as well. So if I scroll it down, okay, and then you can see that under the Linux plan details, okay, and then one of the item you can find out quickly is that they provide FTP users connections, okay, or services. So which means that it's guaranteed that I mean, you have to have the FTP server up, right? Otherwise, there is no way that the client can connect to their website to upload or download things. Okay. Another example will be this one is from Dell. Okay, and then you can see that this is my office computer's specification, and assume that I might have to download some special drivers. Right? Then again, okay, I mean, if your company have to provide services like this, then you have to have the FTP server set up. Okay, yeah. So I hope that you can see the necessity of this kind of needs. Okay, we are not talking about, I mean, personal usage. Okay? No. I mean, we're talking about the in the company scenario, what you do. Okay, yeah. All right. Okay, so let me kind of power up my virtual machine. Okay, I thought it's up already. Apparently, it's not. Okay, so please be patient with me. Let me set this one aside. In the meantime, okay, while my virtual machine is booting up, just to let you know that when you go to test your connection, then the client software, there are many of them. One of the free ones is called, I use a lot, is FileZilla. Okay, you can just Google it and download it. In a minute, I will do some demonstration as well. Okay, it's extremely, I mean, excellent software to use. Okay, free software, the best price, right? Free. All right, okay, so let me log into my temp users account. Okay. All right, and then it's loading. Let me wait for a few seconds. And then I'm going to click the activity. Activity. So give me a minute. There we go. And then let me get to the terminal. Utility program. I'm in the regular user mode. So I'm going to install the software. So I need to switch to the root user mode. Okay. And then there you go. Okay, so you can see that the user prompt, here, this part get changed to root. Okay, yeah. All right, so I'm going to get from the left. You can see that the command is really not that complicated at all. Okay, yeah. DNS space install space vs ftpd, and then once you have installed it, then you can start a server. Okay, what is this VS stands for? VS stands for very secure. Okay, yeah. All right. Okay, so let me do that. DNF install. Okay, and then VS very secure FTPD. Okay, daemon. Okay, means server under Linux. Okay. All right, okay, and then the file is really not that big at all. Okay, it's a pretty small size file. Okay, yeah, so it take maybe I mean, I don't know, maybe less than 2 minutes to get it done. Okay, yeah, if you got good internet connection. Okay. All right. Okay. So now, again, it shows that the software has been installed, and I can start the service. Okay. So again, let me do the check-in first. All right. Okay. VSFTPD status. Okay. Then you can see that it says is loaded. Okay. Loaded means that the software is there. Okay. But then we need to start the service. Okay, so let me use the up arrow key and type start. Okay, so there you go. Okay, I can check again. Now is up and running. Okay, loaded. Okay, and then again, always take care of the firewall. Okay, so that the client can connect to your server or connect to his or her own account. Okay. So let me do the clear screen, okay, and then type in the firewall, okay, CMD, okay, dash, okay, add, dash, okay, service, okay, and then equal, okay, FTP service, okay, yeah, FTP, okay, okay, and then dash, do a permanent, okay, setup, okay, yeah. So you will see the success, it will be, it means everything is fine, okay, yeah. I'm not very good at typing, so a lot of times I type the command, press the enter, then I don't see this success. Then I say, oh, I guess I spell some words. Okay, yeah. Okay, so far so good. And then next one, it just shows that in case that you have some kind of uh, secure enhanced Linux policy setup, then you might want to take care of that. Okay, yeah. So let me take care of that. Okay, yeah. So sorry. Okay, okay, I pressed the wrong key. Okay, give me a minute. Okay. Okay, I think she's fine. Okay, so let me type in set SE secure enhance boolean value dash capital P FTPD underscore foo underscore SS turn it on. Okay. All right. So it's